right. Hmm. All right, so I did a couple things. What you should have done, I know that it was kind of rushing there towards the end. I basically took my create and step events from my asteroid and copied those into my asteroid small, because the small asteroid is behaving exactly the same. The only difference is, you'll see here, and I'll get both of the pieces of code out. So here's my step event and here's my create event. I don't have the random sprites because I only have one sprite for my asteroid small. If I had a couple small asteroid random sprites, then I would also put that in here like I did for the big asteroid. So I increased my rotation, my eye rotation, random number up to 50 to give me more of a, faster rotation speeds. And that's it. And then the other kind of different thing I did, here's my the step event, right? So I just rotate it and have screen warp. So that's all there. The only other thing differently I kind of did was I upped the amount that break off whenever I collided the plasma ball to 4. So I'm going to get a few more of those little asteroids flying through the air. Cool. So now the last thing I really kind of need to do to complete this is make it so that the asteroid itself, small asteroid, when it collides, so collision with a plasma ball, it's going to just be destroyed. So I would just need to go here, put my little trash can in there, so it'll destroy. And then this is also where, if you were going to make points, for instance, here's where you would do it, right? So you hit the asteroid, your score would increase, and then you would destroy the asteroid. So I think this is about as far as I really want to take you with this project for now. So let's see how it looks. So boom. So there's my 3 little asteroids. See, and now they get destroyed when my bullet hits them. Oh, except I forgot to make my bullet itself destroy, so let's do that. So plasma ball, add event, collision with a small asteroid, and I will have it destroyed as well. This is one of my old students. Sorry about that. Alright, so this should work. Let's see here. For those of you that know Wesley, that was Wesley from last year. He's actually taking computer science at UCCS this year. Fresh out of getting his diploma. Boom! So see, that works great now. I probably should reduce the life of my plasma balls, but so you guys should be able to imagine now adding sounds to this. You should be able to figure out how to make it so that if my ship gets hit by an asteroid, that the ship would blow up. You guys know how to do all that now. I mean, I'm just showing you the stuff that you don't know how to do, so that you have more tools in your pocket, more options. So what I would recommend is make sure you save this file so that you can come back and look at your code for whenever you may need it. Your game project that you're going to make for your first quarter, you're going to probably want some of this code that I have showed you here to use for that project. One thing I do a lot is I have a lot of different games and like projects that I've made or when I was programming different things. I would always go back and recopy code that I used that worked and use that code in other programs. And that's totally fine to do. Like, it's great to... This is one of the few professions where copying is okay to a degree, in the sense that I can copy my code and use my own code over and over again. No sense in rewriting it every time. Obviously, it's not okay if you're copying someone else's work. That's cheating. So don't think that I said that, because I didn't. But I'm trying to say cut and paste your own code. Use it in many different places so you can just tweak it. That's how you code fast. So save this, because you'll probably want to use some of it or some of the ideas in your project when you make your own arcade game. Someone is already going to ask me this question, so I'm going to go ahead and answer it right now. And the question is, for my game project, the midterm, basically, can I make Asteroids as my arcade game? And my answer to that is absolutely not, because I've pretty much shown you how to make Asteroids. I mean, you got to add a few more things to this, but you're, I don't know, 70% of your way to making Asteroids, and I've just shown everyone in the class how to do it, so that would not be challenging, and it would not be a good demonstration of your skills in Game Maker, because I just did this for you. So all other games are on the table, but no Asteroids. Also start kind of looking at that. Start looking at classic arcade games, again, like Centipede, Donkey Kong, Pac-Man, Galaxga. There's, I mean, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of these old arcade games. Start looking at ones that you think you would want to do, so you can start thinking about how difficult it would be, what would be involved in it. Start coming up with some ideas, and talk to me about it if you want from now. If you want, because I can give you some feedback if, hey, maybe that's too tough, or yeah, that's a great choice. So start thinking about that, because you guys are going to make your own arcade game for a very large grade in this class. And so yeah, so there you have it. Save this file. We'll probably continue on with it. I might later on show you how to use code to start giving us a score for this game. You know, add some, I don't know if we'll get the particle effects, but we'll probably add to this program. I'll show you some more coding stuff. So go ahead and save it, make sure you have it. And that's it. I'm going to go enjoy my Saturday night now. Make a calzone. That sounds good.